in like 5 seconds.
I think you'll last 10 seconds good. Oh, this is too awesome.
You coming in?
No, he's not coming in. Oh, too.
What's that on the floor? Go get the phone, Aubrey.
That thing does that a lot now.
Look at that. Wait, listen. Say bye, Monkey. Go look at him.
Let's close the door a little bit.
No, they won't come in.
The monkey is right in front of our door.
It's like, when you're gonna throw me food? It's a girl, huh?
Yeah.
It's a mom. Yeah.
No, that. It's a mom. No, that.
Okay, you're scaring it, Elena, with your loud voice. Hi, Monkey. You live on an island, you know. I wonder if he ever gets behind the feet.
Mommy.
I was trying to figure out if it's a good place to jump. Elena, go over with Dad.
Come over here, Elena.
So cool.
We saw a bigger one today. Me and Aubrey, the one we saw was big.
Huh?
You saw
Yes, thank you. We're looking at the monkey.
A lot of monkey here.
Yay. What's that? Yeah. Huh? Tell her it's okay. Tell her it's okay.
But you have to be careful. Sometimes they are very aggressive.
Yes. Okay. We'll keep our distance.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Come on, girls.
If you need anything on your room, you let me know.
Okay, thank
If I
you.
know, I will tell you.
Thank you very much.